Sometimes the secret to stress-free cooking isn't a new recipe, it's the right tool. A powerful best food processor can save you time, boost creativity, and make every dish feel effortless. Today, we're diving into some of the top food processors on the market to see which one truly fits your kitchen. By the way, I'm honestly super interested to hear which features you personally look for in a food processor. So let me know in the comments because I'm genuinely curious what matters most to you when you're choosing one. Let's begin with a model that combines simplicity, reliability, and surprising power. The Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap 12-Cup Food Processor 70725A. This machine is designed for convenience from the moment you take it out of the box. Its unique stack and snap assembly system eliminates the guesswork and frustration of twisting and locking parts into place. You simply stack the bowl onto the base, snap on the lid, and you're ready to go. The 450-watt motor provides ample strength for chopping vegetables, shredding cheese, or making quick salsas, and the 12-cup capacity gives you enough room to prepare family-sized portions without stopping to empty the bowl. As you use it, you'll notice how intuitive it feels. The sealed bowl design prevents leaks when working with liquids, making it ideal for dressings, dips, and sauces. The stainless steel S-blade cuts cleanly through ingredients, producing consistent results whether you're chopping onions or pureeing cooked vegetables. The reversible slicing and shredding disc offers versatility without overwhelming you with attachments. Just flip it depending on whether you want fine or coarse results. The large feed chute is another thoughtful feature, allowing you to process whole vegetables or blocks of cheese, saving you valuable prep time. You'll appreciate how easy cleanup is with this model. The bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, and the simple 2-speed operation keeps your workflow straightforward. The cord wraps neatly underneath the base for tidy storage, and the lightweight design means it's easy to move around your kitchen. When you use the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap, you get the feeling of working with a tool that's built to make cooking easier, not more complicated. It's a dependable, no-fuss companion for home cooks who want efficiency without sacrificing quality. What truly sets this top-rated food processor apart is how quietly confident it feels in use. It doesn't boast fancy screens or complex settings, yet it delivers consistent, reliable performance every time you turn it on. You can hear the steady hum of the motor as it powers through ingredients with ease, and you'll notice how evenly it handles everything from soft herbs to firm vegetables. It's the kind of appliance that quietly earns your trust, the one you reach for day after day because it simply gets the job done. Whether you're making a quick coleslaw, prepping pizza toppings, or blending a fresh batch of hummus, the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap adds a sense of ease and rhythm to your cooking routine. Now, moving on to something a bit more refined, the KitchenAid 13-Cup Food Processor, KFP 1318, blends power, precision, and beauty into one cohesive package. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek, modern design. It's compact, yet substantial, with a sturdy base that feels stable even during heavy-duty processing. The 13-cup capacity is perfect for preparing large batches, whether you're slicing vegetables for a salad or shredding cheese for lasagna. With its 500-watt motor, the KitchenAid delivers smooth, consistent power that handles everything from soft fruits to firm root vegetables with ease. One of its standout features is the exact slice system, which allows you to adjust slicing thickness externally with a simple lever. This gives you precise control over your results. No need to change blades or attachments. The 3-in-1 feed tube accommodates ingredients of all shapes and sizes, so you can process whole cucumbers or smaller items like carrots without pre-cutting. The multi-purpose blade, dough blade, and reversible shredding disc expand your creative options, making it easy to switch between tasks. When you start using it, you'll appreciate how intuitive the controls feel. The touchpad interface is simple and responsive, and the snap-and-go bowl design makes assembly effortless. The leak-resistant work bowl is perfect for liquid-heavy recipes like soups or sauces, and the sealed edges prevent messy drips. Every part of the KitchenAid feels carefully considered, from the ergonomic handle to the way the accessories nest neatly inside the bowl for compact storage. Cleanup is refreshingly simple. The removable parts are dishwasher safe and the smooth surfaces wipe down easily. You'll find that the KitchenAid 13-cup food processor doesn't just perform beautifully, it looks and feels like a natural extension of your kitchen. It's one of the top food processors if you value design as much as performance, offering a balance of elegance and practicality that makes cooking genuinely enjoyable. And I'm genuinely curious, have you ever used a KitchenAid appliance before? And if so, how was your experience? Drop a quick comment because I'd love to know how it compares to what you're using now. Next, stepping into the realm of raw power and efficiency, the Ninja Professional XL Food Processor BN601 is built for those who like to cook boldly and without limits. With its 1000 peak watt motor, this machine delivers serious performance, effortlessly handling everything from dense root vegetables to thick doughs. The first time you use it, you'll notice how quickly it processes ingredients. What might take minutes by hand is done in seconds. The 12-cup bowl capacity gives you plenty of room for large batches, making it ideal for meal prepping or entertaining. The Ninja's Auto IQ intelligent preset programs are a standout feature. These preset functions automatically adjust speed and timing based on the task, whether you're chopping, mixing, or pureeing, so you get consistent results without guesswork. The precision-engineered stainless steel blades are razor sharp and designed to maintain their edge over time, cutting cleanly through even the toughest ingredients. You'll love how evenly it processes everything, creating smooth, uniform textures that elevate your dishes. The design of the Ninja BN601 is both practical and modern. The locking lid ensures safety and stability during operation, and the non-slip base keeps the unit firmly in place. The wide feed chute reduces the need for pre-cutting, and the intuitive control panel makes it easy to switch between manual and Auto IQ modes. It's a machine that feels powerful yet refined, giving you professional-level control in your home kitchen. Cleanup is straightforward with dishwasher-safe parts and a smooth, wipeable base. The Ninja BN601 stands out in any food processor's comparison thanks to its balance of raw power and intelligent design. Whether you're blending hummus, kneading pizza dough, or chopping vegetables for a stir-fry, it gives you the confidence to take on any recipe with ease and precision. Now we move on to a true classic, the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor, DFP14BCNY. This model has been a staple in home kitchens for decades, and for good reason. The 720-watt motor is both powerful and quiet, offering steady performance that easily handles everything from soft fruits to dense doughs. The 14-cup capacity is generous, making it ideal for large families or anyone who enjoys cooking in bulk. You'll immediately notice its solid construction and brushed stainless steel finish, which give it a professional, timeless look. When you start using it, the simplicity of the controls stands out. With just 3 buttons, on, off, and pulse, it's refreshingly straightforward. The extra-large feed tube allows you to process whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting, saving time and effort. The stainless steel blades are exceptionally sharp, producing clean, even cuts that elevate the texture and presentation of your dishes. The heavy base keeps the unit stable, even when processing tough ingredients. The Cuisinart's design is all about reliability and ease of use. The parts fit together seamlessly, and the machine feels solid and well-balanced. You'll appreciate how quickly it can handle large tasks. Making pie dough, slicing potatoes, or shredding cheese becomes effortless. The included discs and blades give you flexibility, allowing you to switch between chopping, slicing, and shredding without complication. Cleanup is simple and efficient, the removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the smooth surfaces make it easy to wipe down the base. The Cuisinart DFP14BCNY is often mentioned in top food processors reviews because of its long-lasting performance and consistent results. It's a machine that quietly becomes indispensable, delivering professional quality every time you turn it on. Finally, we reach the top of the lineup, the Breville BFP 810 Sous Chef 16-cup food processor. This model represents the pinnacle of performance, precision, and design. The first thing you'll notice is its impressive build quality. A brushed stainless steel body, a heavy-duty base, and a commanding presence that instantly communicates power. The 1,200-watt induction motor provides exceptional torque, allowing you to slice, shred, knead, and puree with incredible speed and accuracy. The 16-cup capacity makes it ideal for serious home cooks and professionals alike. When you start using it, the level of precision is remarkable. The adjustable slicing disc features 24 thickness settings, ranging from paper-thin to substantial cuts, giving you total control over your results. The micro-serrated S-blade ensures every cut is clean and consistent, while the dual feed chute system allows you to process both large and small ingredients with ease. You'll find that it handles everything from delicate herbs to dense root vegetables without hesitation. The Breville's thoughtful design extends to every detail. The LCD display with count-up and countdown timers lets you monitor processing times precisely, and the safety interlock system ensures the machine only runs when everything is properly secured. The included accessories, such as the dough blade, reversible shredding disc, mini processing bowl, and storage box, expand your culinary possibilities while keeping your workspace organized. When you use the Breville Sous Chef, it feels like an extension of your craft. The motor runs smoothly and quietly. The controls respond instantly, and the results are consistently beautiful. It's no surprise that this model frequently tops best food processors lists for its combination of power and precision. Cleanup is easy thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and a sleek, wipeable surface. This is a machine built not just for performance, but for longevity. A true centerpiece for anyone who takes cooking seriously. And before we wrap up, I'm super curious, which of these food processors would fit your cooking style best? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to see which one you're leaning toward after hearing all the details. Choosing the right top-rated food processor can completely change how you cook. Each model we looked at today, from the approachable Hamilton Beach to the powerhouse Breville, has its own strengths, and the best food processors are always the ones that fit your lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest deals and details.